What's up, adventurers? For some reason I felt like taking a little midnight snack in the woods tonight. And you guys know I'm a little bit scared of the dark. And it is dark tonight. So please join me on today's adventure. And let's have some freaking fun, guys. Heck yeah. I'm gonna set up this chair from Helinox that I made a little video about last month. I don't remember. Sorry about the plane. Let's go. Nice, man. Oh, feels good. I'm not here to sleep, guys. I'm here to cook some food. It's going to be a super easy meal today. Just pour some water in this bag and you'll get some freaking mac and cheese. So let's fire up the stove. Everything fits nicely in this little cup. I forgot to bring with me the leg support, but it's fairly flat here and I'm pretty sure it's going to be fine. When it comes to the outdoors, you just have to accept that everything's not going to go according to plan. It is what it is. And if this falls down to the ground, spills all my water, I'm gonna get pissed. I didn't bring any extra water. Let's fire the stove up. Gonna do a little test, a little finger test. Don't try this at home, guys. But yeah, it's heating up fairly quickly. Can't wait to get some food in my belly. I'm hungry. I'm really glad I'm here right now. It's beautiful, man. It's quiet. I have the woods all to myself. And just like that, the water is done boiling. We can pour the water in this bag right here. Just gonna tear the bag open. And don't hit my fingers, please. I don't know if you can see, but it kind of looks like soup right now. But the water is going to get absorbed. I'm just going to find my spoon somewhere in my bag. A little rather long titanium spoon from Tokes. I'm just going to give this a good little stir. It's going to rest for about 5 minutes. I like to leave it a little bit longer because I like my food to be a little bit softer when I'm out in the woods. Don't want to sit there and spend my time chewing on the food when I can do something else. Nice. Heck yeah, it's gonna be good, man. Okay, guys. While we are waiting for our food to get ready, let me show you around our little camp for tonight. Here is the spot. I'm sitting on this nice chair. Easy to set up, nice to sit in. Here's our cook system. We have this cup from Tokes. This little stove from jet boil with the jet boil canister, water bottle, a backpack, a little light there, and a little light up here, up in the trees. It's a pretty beautiful place because look at this view, man. Beautiful, man. Surrounded by pine trees, and we have a little drop down here. I'm not gonna fall down there, it's gonna hurt real bad. This is actually the same place where I made my little pine needle tea video. Let's go check on the food again. Let's see if it's done hydrating the food. That looks delicious, man. Let's see if I can show you without spilling everything all over the place. I don't care how the food looks, really. I care about how it tastes. So let's taste. A little bland maybe, but that's okay. Every food doesn't have to be super spicy and loaded with all kind of different tastes. I'm not complaining. I just want to take a moment here to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. It really makes me super happy, every single subscriber. And I hope you will keep watching the videos. I'm having a blast making them. I love going out, taking the camera with me and pressing the record button and see what happens. Just gonna sit there and eat up my food, and I'll see you soon. The food was good. It was so relaxing just sitting here looking out into the night, listening to the birds, to the rustling of the leaves. It was so calming. So thank you for joining me today, and thank you so much for clicking the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll catch you guys next time. Oh yeah.